Hello friends, today we are going to review Philips toaster. This one is Philips toaster model HD4815/01, and this is a 800 watt toaster. As you can see, manufactured by Philips, and the MRP is rupees 1395. It's in Indian currency, 1395. So this is the box. Let's quickly get on to the toaster itself. So this is the toaster, guys. Very simple toaster, and here we have two bread slots, and it pretty much accommodates bigger bread slices as well. The body is plastic and metal. So these two panels are plastic, and whereas the middle portion completely is metal. You have the knob here to adjust the amount of browning that you want on your bread or toast, and this is the slide switch which activates the toaster and makes the toaster on. There is no dedicated stop switch for this toaster, unlike you find on different other toasters. But the trick here is, if you want to stop the toaster, just push this knob to 0 position and the toaster will stop automatically. Let me give you a quick demo. I press this. Now the toaster is on. The coils are getting heated, and if I now push this knob to 0 position, see, the toaster will stop. Yeah. So as it is not having the stop button will not hamper the functionality, and whereas if I now push this to certain position, say 1, and push this toaster on, after the desired amount of timing is over, the toaster will pop up automatically. Yeah, see, that's it. So nothing much, very basic toaster, 800 watt. The only downside which I find here is this metal body, because it gets heated up very fast, and there are chances that your hand might get burnt. Otherwise this is a pretty good toaster, but if you're buying one, prefer something which has a plastic body, which is heat resistant, and this also doesn't have a cover. So if you want something, you can also prefer something with a cover. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.